So, hi guys, and we're gonna have this new game as a squishy game, and yeah, I'm gonna claim this.
I'm gonna get to the comments.
But yes, ooh, I got this one. So yeah.
I'm gonna get to the comments for others.
Oh, stupid videos. What the heck is this? What am I watching?
Who has no idea?
Okay, so I'm gonna X that. Now we're at the squishy game. I honestly don't give a crap, dude. Ugh. So yes, you like my little buddies.
Bro, we should do a collab together soon.
Yeah, we should.
Like on Roblox.
No one cares, dude. I don't like that. Those like ads. Oh, okay. So honestly, which one should I do? Let me go home. These are my squishies.
Scroll through. Look.
I hit this clip. Okay. Yeah. I do not want to do a squishy game. Fine, I have to do a stupid squishy game. Time. Yeah.
Sussy.
The tooth. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna go home. Oh, why is there so much? And it's this creepy ad. Oh my god, why? It's a creepy ad again. So, exit it. And it does this. It's like. It's the coffin dance. My fingers on my screen are doing like backflips. Come on, hurry up. Okay, so, see, like right here. Oh, come here, right here. Those guys. Oh, yeah, don't worry. But yeah, those guys right there. If you guys would like me to make more videos, please like and subscribe for this video. Please, I would love to have that. Like, please, please. So, and by the ones that I have so far, which one should I do out of these three? The Yummy Bear, Popsicle, or Square Bear? Can you comment in the comment down below, see which one you want, and I think I'm gonna do the Popsicle right now. So I want to do like the bottom color, and it's gonna be cute. Excuse me, guys. No, I wanted that color. Now, kind of looks dark, so over top. That's cute. So now the bow. I'm gonna do a green. No. I'm gonna do. No.
Stop.
That's actually perfect. So now the little cheekies. I'm gonna do this pink. There we go. Now I'm gonna. And if I get, let's say, 1,000 subscribers, I will do a face reveal. Okay? So if you guys want me to do a face reveal, give me 1,000 subscribers, and yeah. And what should I name this? Pop. I'm gonna name it Pop. It's probably a weird name, but now I'm gonna play with it. What an ad. Oh, TikTok. Okay. So now I am going to be. Okay, yeah. This is one of my other ones. Yeah, I don't know why I named it E-Girl. That's just really weird. squish. I love the background of this one. It's so cute. So now, we're gonna wrap it up today. So make sure you subscribe to the Frog Fam, and we'll publish more videos. I am probably gonna go to sleep, so see you guys later. See you guys later. Mwah.